Your legs are getting weaker. Right now. Not yesterday. Not someday in the future. This moment. As you're watching this video. And the frightening part. Most people don't even feel it happening. It doesn't start with a fall. It doesn't start with a big injury. It starts with the tiniest signs. A little wobble when you get out of the car. A slow step going up the stairs. Needing your arms to push yourself out of a chair. Feeling heavy legs by the end of the day. These small signs are your body whispering a warning. But here's the good news. You can stop this decline. You can reverse it. You can rebuild your leg strength. No matter your age. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how. Because believe it or not, there are only 2 exercises that target the exact muscle groups responsible for balance, walking power, stability, independence, and fall prevention. 2 exercises. 10 minutes, no gym, no equipment. Just your body, and the desire to stay strong. And by the end of this video, you won't just understand why your legs weaken with age. You'll know exactly what to do starting today to stay strong for the next 20, 30, even 40 years. Before we continue, hit subscribe so you never miss videos designed specifically for your health after 50, 60, and beyond. And to help me understand you better, comment the number 7 if leg strength is important to you. Comment 0 if you want me to make videos on any specific exercises or health challenges. Now let's begin. Why legs weaken after 60? The truth. Nitrogen monoxide. 1 talks about others, a fact most doctors know, but rarely explain. You begin losing muscle after 30. Not losing like maybe, losing like inevitable. Studies show adults lose 1% muscle strength per year after age 403 to 5% strength per year after age 60, and up to 50% of leg strength after age 70. This is why standing up becomes harder. This is why stairs feel steeper. This is why walking gets slower. And this is why falls become more dangerous. But the real danger isn't the weakness. It's what comes next. Loss of independence. Because the moment your legs stop supporting you, your world gets smaller. You avoid stairs. You avoid long walks. You avoid going out. You avoid activities you once enjoyed. But let me tell you something powerful. Weakness is not your fate. It's simply your body responding to inactivity. And the moment you reverse inactivity, your body rebuilds strength. At any age, you're about to learn the 2 most important exercises to do that. Exercise 1. The second heart activator. Calf raises. You have 2 hearts. Yes, truly. Your first heart is in your chest. The second is hidden in your lower legs, your calf muscles. When your calf muscles contract, they pump blood upward, helping circulation, preventing swelling, improving balance, and powering your walking stride. But after age 60, your calves become weaker faster than any other muscle. Because we stop using them properly, calf weakness leads to heavy legs, low walking balance problems, swelling in ankles, varicose vein, fall risk bit. Here's the amazing thing. A 12-week study in the Journal of Applied Physiology found that simple calf exercises improved leg strength, blood flow, walking speed, stability, and reduced swelling. And guess what exercise they used? Calf raises. How to do calf raises? Step by step. Stand tall with feet shoulder width apart. Lightly hold a wall or chair for balance. Lift your heels slowly for 2 seconds. Hold at the top for 2 seconds. Squeeze your calves. Lower slowly for 2 to 3 seconds. Breathing. Exhale when lifting. Inhale when lowering. Sets and reps to 3 sets, 10 to 12 repetitions, 3 times per week. Make it harder after 2 to 3 weeks. Hold top position for 3-4 seconds. Lift on one-legged small weight. Slow down movement even more. Avoid these mistakes: rushing, dropping too fast, leaning forward, barely lifting. Heel sweat you'll feel in 2 to 3 weeks. Lighter legs, less swelling, more power when walking, more stable balance, easier time stepping up stairs. This is your second heart waking up. Exercise 2. The king of functional strength. Chair squat. See if I could only give one exercise to someone over 60. One exercise that protects independence. One exercise that determines whether you can live strong at 80. 90, or even 100, it would be the chair squat. Why? Because chair squats build the exact strength you use for sitting, standing, up from the toilet, getting out of bed, getting out of cars, climbing steps, bending down, walking longer distance. As these everyday tasks depend on quads, glutes, or stability, and these muscles decline rapidly if not trained. But chair squats fix that. A 16-week study in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning Research found that performing squat variations increased leg strength by 32%, improved balance, improved walking speed, reduced fall risk, and significantly increased confidence. Not bad for a simple movement you can do at home. How to do chair squats. Choose a sturdy chair with no wheels. Stand in front of it. Feet shoulder width apart. Toes angled slightly outward. Stand tall. Chest up. Shoulders back. Push your hips back first, like sitting down slowly. Bend your knees as your hips move back. Lower until your thighs are almost touching the chair. Lightly touch the chair. Don't sit fully. Pause for 1 second. Press through your heels and stand back up. Movement -1 to 3 seconds. Lowering 1 second. Pause to seconds. Rising sets and reps to 3 sets, 8 to 10 repetitions 3 times per week. Make it harder. Lower yourself slower, 5 to 6 seconds. Pause longer to 2-3 seconds. Use a lower chair. Add small weights. Avoid these mistakes: knees collapsing inward, knees going too far forward, rounding your back, dropping down quickly. What you'll feel in 3 to 4 weeks: getting out of chairs becomes effortless, climbing stairs gets smoother, walking becomes faster, balance improves, your confidence returns. This is functional strength, the strength that keeps you independent. When you do calf raises and chair squats, you are training the 4 pillars of leg strength: balance, calves, walking power, calves plus quads, standing strength, glutes plus quads, fall prevention, core plus lower body. Does 10 minutes a day, 3 times a week, and within 30 to 60 days, most people feel lighter legs, stronger steps, better posture, better circulation, more energy, more independence. This is how you age actively, not passively. The 10-minute weekly routine: 3 times per week. 1. Calf raises, 3 sets times 1012 reps, rest 1 minute. 2. Chair squats, 3 sets, 8-10 reps, rest 1 to 2 minutes. Utensil time, 10 minutes. Total weekly time, 30 minutes. Total results, life-changing. This is your roadmap to stronger legs. I'm going to tell you something most people never hear at this age. Asterisk, asterisk, you are stronger than your weakness. You are stronger than your pain. You are stronger than time, if you choose to be. Asterisk, asterisk, leg strength doesn't disappear because of age. It disappears because we stop using it. But today, you learned exactly how to fix that. Imagine yourself in 3 months, standing up with ease, walking faster, feeling stable, feeling confident, feeling alive. This is possible, not someday, but starting right now. If you found this valuable, comment 7 so I know you're committed to strengthening your legs. If something felt unclear or you want a video on a different exercise, comment 0 and tell me what you need. And before you go, hit subscribe, turn on notifications so you never miss a video that keeps you strong, mobile, and independent. Stay strong, stay consistent, stay in control of your future. I'll see you in the next video.